I'm ready. Wala na ako nag-heat tech. So, tingnan natin kung kaya ba. Doon naman po siya. Mag-isa here in the lobby. So, yan, dito tayo dadaan. So, doon siya sa likod. So, let's go there. Oh my God, it's so cold! Oh my God, it's so cold! Oh my God, it's so cold. Wala akong heat tech, guys. Dahil kailangan ko makarating sa BHC Chicken. Oh my God. Oh my God. Pero the good thing, nasa ano lang siya. Likod lang siya ng hotel. So this is our hotel. Ito yung hotel namin. So dito lang siya. Nandito lang yung BHC. So here, nandito lang yung BHC. Hopefully it's still open. Kasi nagugutom na talaga ako. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so cold. Like, ice na yung loob ko. Oh my gosh. May narinig ako. Nasaan ba yung BHC Chicken? Nasaan ba yung BHC? Here. Oh my God. Let's go. Open, please. Open. Perfect. It's still open. It's still open. Okay, let's. Here lang ako. Yung room namin nandun yung kwarto ko doon. What's the best chicken?
This chicken, we have the Pringle one and classic fried is also really
Okay. What can you recommend? This one? How many chicken? Can I buy only one chicken? Ganyan kinaka-order pa ko. It's so cold. 7 ka chicken ang pwede na mga minimum order. Gusto lang yun, utak ko. 1, 2, 3, anak ba? Pero 7 ilang minimum pwede i-order. And murag tag 100 per chicken. Kay 600 plus man ako nabayaran. And so, nag-ask po ko ni Randolph, lami daw ning HBC. So, BHC. Mura pa siya Boris Harold Kanugan. Akong full name yun. BHC. Okay, let's go. Naragid akong hotel dito, oh. Na ako sa 5th floor. We're staying here in at Marriott Hotel. So cold 입니다. I love it. It's so humot. Wow, I'm so excited to eat my chicken. Lamig kay humot kaya. Minimum kay 7. Kay mag-close na din sila. Ako ang last customer.
Yatag sa imo.
Dili, uy. Nagpalit ko, oo.
Gidugangan lugar.
Dili, 7 gid kabok ang ilang minimum order.
Dobi.
So let's now eat the chicken. BHC pagidya Boris Harold Kanugan. Let's now eat the chicken. Wow, this is the best. This is the best flavor daw nila. Wala ba ni sa Philippines ngo? Yeah, nga flavor. Wala ni sa Philippines na flavor. This is their best flavor. I-shake daw ni. I'm so excited to eat chicken. First time ko mag-eat og kana chicken something. So let's start with ang init pa guys, ang init pa. Let's start with the wings. On the wings of love ang atake. Okay. Okay, be.
To make time to develop relationship. Relationship is something that people underestimate. Rules
Yeah.
without relationship.
Lahi lagi lang chicken. Halaya. You should.
Without relationship lead to respect.
Yan ang mag-aawat ni Mami.
Yeah.
Values.
Where's the tissue? Namit lang. Alaya. Alay na yan.
You need to plan
Yeah, lamig.
purposeful,
My gosh, this is the best.
deliberate.
Grabe.
Most of us are not life purposefully. It is haphazardly,
Sisa ako sa mga
incidentally,
ginikanan.
randomly.
Hmm?
You can't do that. Life is too short to waste. It's precious. So be intentional in whatever you do. You have only one shot. Opportunity.
This is really the best.
They grow up very fast. Now, my grandchildren are even taller than me.
Wait lang kami John, check ka siya mo first. Wait lang.
Wala gid ay siya yung ikuan. Ay ano wala di man iyabo. Ang adi na
Hindi, i-dip lang. Hala nang gamay kay wala ko busog na ka. Lami ka ayo, grabe gyud the best. My God, wala ko katilaw inani sa Philippines. Lahi yang quality. Go eh. Di ba? Lahi no, ang chicken palandaan. Go, saan masasabi mo?
Premium kayo.
Di ba? Oh my God.
Very soft.
Di ba? Di ko kasabot. Grabe ka lang. Perfect kay may gani, bay. Kay magpalit taay ko ani everyday hangtod makauli. Oh my gosh. It's the best. Di ba? Perfect na kayo. Di na mag-rice kay para ano.